This week's Emerson Larry Bird Trophy update focuses on Doug McDermott of Creighton. The junior forward is the nation's only returning consensus first-team All-American, as well as the nation's leading scorer at 22.9 points per game last year. He led the Jays in scoring and rebounding each of the past 2 seasons and has already picked up MVC Freshman of the Year, Newcomer of the Year, Player of the Year, and MVC Tournament MVP honors in his career. McDermott is 28 of 49 from three-point range in the past 10 contests and has already been named Conference Player of the Week 4 times this season. McDermott was also named ESPN's National Player of the Month for December after leading the nation with 26.5 points per game in the month. He was also on the preseason watch list for both the Wooden and Naismith Awards, 2 of the top awards in college basketball. He is the only finalist for either of these awards to return to school this season. Each week, the Missouri Valley Conference will provide an update on the top Larry Bird Trophy candidates from each MVC school. Emerson is proud to support the communities in which we live and the academic achievement of today's generation. As the presenting partner of the Larry Bird Trophy, Emerson is proud of the MVC student athletes on and off the court achievements and supports the development of tomorrow's leaders. Join us in honoring those who achieve. Emerson, consider it solved.